Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for replacement filters for your vacuum? Our Bissell pet hair eraser needed a new filter because we had tackled a hard job. And this 4-pack was perfect for the job. We love the fact that we can just pull it out and replace it. They are very sturdy, they're well made, and they come with a little cleaner that you can brush all the little crevices out, and it's just a perfect little set. You can see how it fits nice and snugly, and I can use my vacuum, and that's what I love. We use it for little jobs around the house, vacuuming anything up that's really small. We love them. So whether you're tackling large jobs or little jobs with your handheld vacuum, you would like a good filter, and these are just that. We highly recommend them, and that's just our point of view.